So lots of rumours about component failures, supplier issues and price points, but regardless, DJI will announce a brand new accessory for the Mavic range tomorrow at CES. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and tomorrow kicks off the start of perhaps the biggest consumer electronics show in the world. CES 2019 kicks off tomorrow, and it's going to consist of multiple vendors and manufacturers all showing off their latest and greatest products. DJI, of course, will be there, and there have been rumours that the Phantom 5 might make an appearance. We find that highly unlikely. However, we do know for sure that DJI will announce and present a brand new accessory for the Mavic drone series. Now, at this time, we have no specification for the new accessory, and so we're not going to speculate. However, it's very likely that you might have accidentally seen this accessory before in DJI marketing shots. Whoops. Anyway, watch this space because we will be reviewing it very soon. In addition, we've taken our own advice. We're now 6 months after the launch of Mavic 2, and so we've ordered one. But which did we go for, the Pro or the Zoom? We'll publish a new video very soon to tell you which one and to justify why, so click subscribe so that you don't miss it. To CES, and it isn't just about DJI. Now, what's great to see is that Unique USA will be there, although they are now less consumer focused and aiming more towards the professional sector. Interestingly, High-Great are there. Now, they're the manufacturing company behind Lily. Their development team also built Dobby, a great little GPS drone, and just 6 months ago they launched a drone called Mark, which was okay, but demonstrated some brand new technology called VIO, which actually was very impressive. This drone could fly itself through my house by itself. Click that link now on screen to watch that review. Autel will also be there, and last year they did show signs of possibly being competition for DJI when they launched their new Evo drone. I did try and get hold of an Evo for review and comparison, but unfortunately Autel are only working with the USA market, which is a big shame and a massive loss for not only them, but also the viewers of channels like mine. GDU will also be there. They launched an O2 drone some time ago. It was unfortunately a bit of a flop. The gimbal was a bit of a disaster. Interestingly, Kaideng will also be there. They produced an odd little egg drone some time ago that we reviewed. Great fun, but budget. So I'm very surprised to see a company or manufacturer manufacturing budget drones attending a very expensive show like CES. Perhaps they have something interesting to show. PowerVision will also be there. I'm sorry, their drones are just weird, and I don't know why anybody would buy one. Sim2 will also be there. They've been in the market for many years now. They've been producing some average drones, but nothing really that stood out. Let's see if they have something better to show this year. X-Dynamics will also be there, and last year they produced a moderate consumer grade drone, but it didn't really seem to succeed. Now, the disappointment from this exhibitor list is that Parrot are not there. Parrot were also scheduled to be at the UK drone show this year, and unfortunately they cancelled their attendance at last minute. I think it's a real shame because Parrot last year showed us what they're capable of with the brilliant Anafi, which we've got, and we will be shooting lots of content with it soon. It might seem shallow for us to expect drone manufacturers to attend shows like this, but it is essential because not only is it a marketing effort, but it also means that the world gets to see what they can do. For Parrot not to attend is a real shame. Anyway, that's our wrap up of what to look forward to at CES. Look out for that new accessory from DJI and be sure to comment below with your thoughts. Give the video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great 2019.